Good morning, students. Welcome you in Darwin's classes, and this is class 10, chapter 8, how do organisms reproduce, and it is regarding family planning or population control. Actually, if the size of family increases, then we are not in a position to feed the child properly, to rear the offspring properly, and ultimately the facility which is to be provided, somehow there is lacking in that very facilities. Ultimately, if the size of the family will increase, that means overall the population of the country will increase, and that is leading to the population explosion. If the population will increase, so many problems arises. The root cause of all sorts of pollution is increase in population. Therefore, it is to be taken care of, and hence it has been introduced in your syllabus so that in near future, when you will enter into the reproductive age after marriage, then you have to take care of all these things. So in this chapter, we have to deal the methods of contraception. Contraception means how to avoid the conception. Contraception means to avoid pregnancy. So there are various methods which is to be used, which is to be applied for avoiding pregnancy, and that is termed as birth control. So the methods of birth control will be discussed in this topic. For family planning, it may be said that planning the size of a family so that they may be able to take care of them. जो बच्चे हैं, जो परिवार है, परिवार में सदस्यों की संख्या है, उसकी अच्छी तरह से देखभाल की जा सके, एजुकेट देम वेल, उन्हें अच्छी शिक्षा दी जा सके, एंड प्रोवाइड अदर फैसिलिटीज़, उन्हें और भी जो फिजिकल फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, एमिनिटीज़ हैं, जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लाइफ है, वो क्या होंगे, कंपैरेटिवली हाई होंगे, एज द मेंबर ऑफ फैमिली इज ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएट साइज. So increased population leads to rapid depletion of resources and degradation of environmental quality. जब कभी भी प्रोडक्शन होगी, किसी भी मटेरियल का, रिसोर्स का यूटिलाइजेशन होगा, तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होंगे, इन देयर प्रोसेसिंग, इन देयर माइनिंग, इन देयर मार्केटिंग, देयर इज इमिशन ऑफ पॉल्यूटेंट्स, एंड दैट विल डिग्रेड द क्वालिटी ऑफ आवर इन्वायरमेंट. Hence, the demand of time is to keep the size of family small, and therefore it is needed, it is essential that the size of our family should be small. As it has been rightly said, a small family is happy family. So let us see what is contraception and what are contraceptive methods. The regulation of conception. Conception means implantation. Conception means establishment of pregnancy. So, by the method, whatever method it is, so the regulation of conception, that means conception is being regulated, that means as per our wish, whether the lady will be pregnant or not, that will be decided by the couple. The regulation of conception by preventive measures, the measures which are basically preventing the fertilization, avoiding the fertilization, preventive measures or devices to control the number of child, to control the number of offspring, and that is termed as birth control. जो बच्चे पैदा होंगे उनकी संख्या को यदि नियंत्रित कर लिया जाए तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होंगे, पॉपुलेशन विल बी अंडर कंट्रोल. जो पॉपुलेशन होगा, जो साइज ऑफ फैमिली होगी, दैट विल बी ऑफ डिजायर्ड साइज. बर्थ कंट्रोल आल्सो कॉल्ड एज कंट्रासेप्शन. इट इज आल्सो टर्म्ड एज कंट्रासेप्शन इज डिजाइन टू प्रिवेंट प्रेगनेंसी. ये जो मेथड है, जो भी चीजें हैं, वो क्या करती है, प्रेगनेंसी को अवॉइड करती है ना, प्रिवेंट करती है. प्रेगनेंसी एस्टेब्लिश नहीं होगी, बच्चे नहीं होंगे, दैट इज वेरी क्लियर. So prevention of conception is called contraception. Conception का क्या हो गया, अपोजिट हो गया. तो conception को क्या कर देना है, प्रिवेंट कर देना है. प्रेगनेंसी नहीं होगी, वही हो गया क्या, कंट्रासेप्शन। अब हम लोग देखेंगे इसमें व्हाट आर द मेथड्स ऑफ कंट्रासेप्शन, दैट मीन्स कंट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स। तो मेथड है नेचुरल मेथड, बैरियर मेथड, केमिकल मेथड, IUCD and surgical method. These are the important methods which are being applied, and they are very successful and playing a vital role, a great role in controlling the size of the family. Contraceptive devices may be broadly categorized into these methods, 5 methods. First one is natural method. As the term indicates, there is no introduction of any chemicals, anything from outside. It is in a natural way, that means natural method. There is no need of external things. Natural method means to avoid fertilization. On the mid of the menstrual cycle, on the 14th day of menstrual cycle, there is release of ovum, and only during that period, if copulation will take place, fertilization will be there. Otherwise there will be no fertilization. Therefore, to avoid the copulation, to avoid mating during the period of ovulation, है कि ये कब होंगे, ovulation होंगे on 14th day. उसके बाद क्या होगी, the egg will remain active, will remain alive, will wait for the entry of the sperm for further 24 hours. Likewise, the sperm entered into the body, they will remain alive for 48 hours to 72 hours. That means if copulation has taken place, mating has taken place on the 13th day, that means the sperm will remain alive for 14th or 15th day, and fertilization will take place. So the days must be taken, ample days, so that the chances of fertilization is minimum, to avoid coitus during the ovulatory period. And the term given for this method is periodic abstinence. It is for periodic abstinence. I am going to show you the counting. The menstrual cycle is for 28 days, and on the mid of the menstrual cycle, that is on 14th day, there is ovulation. So avoid pregnancy during that period, and some of the day prior and some of the day later, to avoid any chances of establishment of pregnancy, chances of fertilization. So the counting, each finger having 3 pieces and this one 2 pieces, altogether there are 28. So the first 9 days, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is safe. During this period, copulation can be done without any fear of conception. But after that, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The red, the area which is indicated in red color, that means danger zone. That means there is chances of fertilization during that period. So avoid copulation, avoid mating during that period. And after that, that means after 19th days, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, this is safe zone. So prior and later, the green color that shows safe day, and the red color that is danger zone. During that period, either avoid mating or use the barrier method or mechanical method. So this is natural method. Second one is lactational amenorrhea. During profuse lactation, if mother is feeding their child fully, so within first 6 months after childbirth, there is no chances of ovulation as well as fertilization. So feeding the child is essential, as it works as contraceptive. The third one is coitus interruptus. That means withdrawal of the penis prior to ejaculation. During intercourse, prior to ejaculation, the male copulatory organ must be withdrawn. That means ejaculation will be done outside the reproductive tract, outside the vagina. So these are the 3 methods under natural method of contraception. Under the mechanical or barrier method, as the term indicates, there is a barrier जो क्या करता है, चेक करता है, रोकता है, मैकेनिकल बैरियर. और मैकेनिकल मेथड दैट मीन्स यूज ऑफ कंडोम. मार्केट में या टीवी पे कई बार ऐड आते रहते हैं और छोटे बच्चे पूछते हैं ये क्या है, बड़ी समस्या हो जाती है। लेकिन अब मैक्सिमम मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पर्सन्स दे आर अवेयर ऑफ द थिंग्स, और मार्केट में कई नाम से अवेलेबल है। सबसे जो पहला है जो गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा प्रिपेयर किया गया था उसका नाम है निरोध, और कई बार लोग कंट्रासेप्टिव को निरोध के नाम से ही जानते हैं, और मार्केट में यह अवेलेबल बाय द नेम ऑफ मिथुन, है ना, कोहिनूर, मैनफोर्स, कामसूत्रा. There are so many brands available in the market, and you will get the advertisement through TV or in the newspapers. So this is the barrier condom which is being used by the male. That means it is used by the male. This one femidome or female condom, that is weared by female, having two rings, and it is being adjusted in the reproductive tract in the vagina. Likewise, diaphragm or cervical cap having one ring, and it is being fitted inside in the at the mouth of the cervix, and all these methods are for preventing the entry of the sperm into the female reproductive tract and uterus. And if the sperm is not entering the female reproductive tract, no chances of fertilization is there. That means no chances of pregnancy is there. And another benefit of mechanical barrier or barrier method or condom is that it prevents from STD. Questions आते हैं कि कोई ऐसा मेथड जो फैमिली प्लानिंग के साथ साथ, जो बर्थ कंट्रोल के साथ साथ STD से भी प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है, तो दैट इज कंडोम, दैट इज बैरियर मेथड और मैकेनिकल मेथड. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Next one is the chemical method. As the term implies, chemical, that means application of chemical. So the chemical either will stop ovulation, or it will kill the sperm, or it will be used for making the uterus unsuitable for implantation. So this is the chemical method. The oral pills, which is releasing the hormone, which is made up of hormone and which prevents the ovulation. So regularly if female is taking oral pills like Saheli, Maladi, it checks the ovulation, and if there is no ovulation means no fertilization and no childbirth. Another chemicals are spermicidal, like today, that is being inserted, pessaries inserted into the female reproductive tract prior to intercourse, and it diffuses and the chemical kills the sperm. Some of the chemicals, they are being injectables, Depo-Provera, that acts for 3 months, that are slowly releasing the hormone which prevents ovulation. So these are the chemical methods. Chemical methods either taking orally or being inserted into the female reproductive tract in the form of foam, in the form of jelly, in the form of cream, or in the form of pessaries, or injectables, Depo-Provera, as they are releasing the hormone which prevents the ovulation. That means estrogen and progesterone, the combination of estrogen and progesterone, that is also in the oral pills as well as in injectables or implants. These are the chemical methods. Oral pills, or it is also termed as oral contraceptives, OC. In market it is in the form of Maladi, Saheli, Apsara. These are the brand names, and it is being taken regularly to avoid the pregnancy. Vaginal pills like today, or foam, tablets, jellies or cream, they are spermicidal, which is being applied prior to mating. Injections and implants, sometimes injections and implants, small chemicals that is being introduced into the soldiers by minor surgery or by injection. They are Depo-Provera, Depo-Sub-Q-Provera and Dimpa. These are the methods, and it is meant for 3 months. Now next one is IUCD. The full form is intrauterine contraceptive device. As the term indicates, intrauterine contraceptive devices, that means it is being inserted, it is being fixed, it is being implanted in the uterus, and that is being done with the help of doctor or nurses. That means a practitioner can insert these devices into the uterus. The name is copper T. CuT copper T, copper 7, Cu7 and multi-load. So these are the instrument, a small instrument that is being inserted into the uterus, and that make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. That means whenever they will remain inside the uterus, there is no chances of implantation. That means the sperm will go inside the body, inside the female reproductive tract. Fertilization may be there, but there will be no implantation, no settlement of the zygote in the uterus. And some of the advanced IUCDs, they are releasing chemicals. They are making the uterus unsuitable for implantation, as well as they are releasing the chemicals that are spermicidal, and they are killing the sperm. That means there is no chances of fertilization. That means it is very effective, and it is meant for 3 years. It is working for 3 years. So for spacing the child, this one is the best method. That means if a couple is not desirous to have further any child for longer period, this one is the best method. So for spacing the child, IUCD is best method, but sometimes it may cause irritation. So after taking the advice of doctor, one should use the IUCD. And the last method is surgical method. So all these methods are such a method which is being applied when we do not want any child, but whenever we are in a position to have further next child, we will stop the use of these devices, these methods, these chemicals, and further implantation will be there. So these are like comma, and this is like full stop. The surgical method, that means after that no chances is there, but now it has also become reversible. So surgical method means removal of the duct through which either egg is traveling or through which sperm is traveling. That means in case of male, the vas deferens will be cut and tight. That means the sperm will not come out through the vas deferens. That is vasectomy in case of male. In case of female, the fallopian tube, the tube will be cut and ligated separately. That means the egg is not in a position to enter into the uterus. That is tubectomy. So in case of surgical method or sterilization, it is vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy for male, tubectomy for female. That means the egg or sperm are not going to enter into the uterus, or there will be no fertilization. If male, they have gone through the vasectomy, that means sperm is not coming out. If female, in case of tubectomy, no egg is reaching the uterus. So this is the last one, and this is the final. If a couple having desirous number of children, after 2 or 3 child, after 1 child as per their wish, बट सबसे अच्छा क्या है, हम दो हमारे दो, स्मॉल फैमिली हैप्पी फैमिली. तो 2 बच्चों के बाद फैमिली प्लानिंग, और फैमिली प्लानिंग से पहले लोग सर्जिकल मेथड ही समझते थे. बट एक्चुअली द फैमिली प्लानिंग इज नॉट ओनली द कंट्रासेप्शन, रेदर फैमिली प्लानिंग इज व्हेन वी आर डिजायरस टू हैव ए चाइल्ड, एट व्हाट स्पेस, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द नेक्स्ट चाइल्ड. So this is all about family planning. That means family planning is broader. So it is vasectomy and tubectomy that makes the couple unable to bear further child. So this is all about the methods for contraception, contraceptive methods. Now sometimes it happens that we are using the methods, but even it may happen that it has become failure. In that condition, we are going to doctor and we are taking suggestion for their MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, and it can be done by a practitioner, by a doctor, by a registered practitioner. It should be avoided to go to the quakes. Sometimes when the measures of the contraception fails, then a couple goes for MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, but it is illegal. especially where the MTP is being done for a particular sex, generally for the female fetus. First of all, there is sex determination through ultrasonography, ultrasound or amniocentesis. These are the devices, these are the techniques, ultrasound or amniocentesis, which is meant for the detection of any genetic disorders. यदि कोई जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर्स है उसको डिटेक्ट किया जाता है, या फिर कई बार ऐसे होते हैं कि जो हेल्थ है मदर का, चाइल्ड को यदि कंटिन्यू किया जाए एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट को, तो दोनों के लिए खतरा हो सकता है। तो उस कंडीशन में डॉक्टर सजेस्ट करते हैं फॉर एमटीपी सजेस्ट करते हैं। लेकिन आमतौर पे लोग इसका क्या कर रहे हैं, मिसयूज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इसका यूज किस लिए कर रहे थे, प्रीनेटल सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन, बर्थ के पहले सेक्स का डिटर्मिनेशन। और जैसे ही पता चल गया कि इट इज फीमेल, तो क्या किया जाता था, फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड्स, दैट मीन्स इट इज बीइंग मिसयूज्ड फॉर इलीगल सेक्स सेलेक्टिव एबॉर्शन ऑफ फीमेल फीटसेस। जो फीमेल फीटसेस हैं उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया जाता था, है ना। दैट इज रियली मैटर ऑफ शेम फॉर द कपल। जो पत्नी है औरत है, मदर है औरत है, सिस्टर है औरत है, फिर जो बच्ची जन्म ले रही है उसको यदि डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया जाए तो क्या होंगे, जो सेक्स रेशियो है वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी। एंड ए टाइम विल कम व्हेन द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल विल बी लेसर एंड देयर विल बी केओस इन द सोसाइटी। इसका मतलब सभी के सभी लड़कों की शादी नहीं हो पाएगी, और उस कंडीशन में क्या होंगे, आज रुपये पैसे की चोरी होती है, आने वाले समय में पत्नियों की चोरी होगी। पता चला शादी करके दुल्हन जा रही थी, रास्ते से गायब कर दिया, क्या हो गया, लूट लिया दुल्हन को। दिस विल बी द कंडीशन इन द सोसाइटी। एक इम्बैलेंस होंगे सोसाइटी में, क्या हो जाएगी, डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट हो जाएगा। तो सेक्स रेशियो दोनों का बराबर होना एसेंशियल है। कई स्टेट में जो रेशियो है, दैट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल पर 1000 जो मेल चाइल्ड है उसके रिस्पेक्ट में काफ़ी कम हो गया है। एंड व्हेन दिस चाइल्ड विल बी मैरिजेबल, देयर विल बी रियल प्रॉब्लम दैट वी विल विजुअलाइज। तो इसको अवॉइड करना है, और ये बहुत ही सिंपल है। और अभी मोदी जी ने नारा दिया है, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, और ये भी वाकई अच्छी चीज़ है। और आज देखते होंगे जब भी कोई एग्जाम के रिजल्ट निकलते हैं, दे आर ऑन द टॉप। इवन इन द यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जाम, दे आर इन टॉप पोजीशंस। जो फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड होते हैं जनरली, कई बार 3-3, 4-4 पोजीशन कंटिन्यू, दे आर बीइंग ग्रैब्ड बाय द गर्ल। तो बेटी को बचाना है, उसे पढ़ाना भी है। अल्टीमेटली जो सोसाइटी है, नेशन है, उसकी प्रॉस्पेरिटी के लिए एक पॉपुलेशन की जो साइज है दैट मस्ट बी कन्वीनियंट। जो पॉपुलेशन साइज है दैट मस्ट बी कन्वीनियंट, एंड दिस पॉपुलेशन साइज इज बीइंग डिटरमाइंड बाय द डेथ रेट एंड बर्थ रेट। This is being decided by birth rate and death rate. Previously, when medical facility was not sufficient, at that time, that means 50 years back, there were MMR, maternal mortality rate, and IMR, infant mortality rate, that was very high. और उस समय छोटे बच्चों की बहुत अधिक डेथ होती थी। तो आमतौर पे लोगों का मानना था कि 7-8 बच्चे रहेंगे, 2-4 चले भी गए तो 2-4 बच जाएंगे। दिस वाज द मेंटेलिटी। लेकिन आज के डेट में क्या है, मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है, एक भी बच्चे हो गए दे विल सर्वाइव, नहीं। तो मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है, पहले मेडिकल फैसिलिटी नहीं थी, उसके कारण क्या था, जो डेथ रेट है दैट मीन्स MMR एंड IMR, maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate, that was very high. ये क्या थे पहले, high, but now it has decreased almost nil, zero. अब ऐसा नहीं है, मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है and everything is fine. तो हमने क्या किया है, जो डेथ रेट था उसको सीज कर दिया। तो डेथ रेट सीज हो गई तो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होंगे, पॉपुलेशन विल इंक्रीज ड्रास्टिकली। तो अब जरूरत किस चीज की है, नाउ the demand of time is to control the birth rate. Birth rate must be controlled so that the size of the population will be convenient for the society, for the nation, because the nation have sufficient to feed their countrymen, to feed their child, but it has its limit, and that limit is carrying capacity. After that, the earth, the planet will not be in a position to support the population. So avoid such situation, because the resources are limited and it can support up to a limit, and beyond that limit it is not going to support the population. Therefore, it is the demand of time, it is the need of time to think over all these things and act accordingly. These are the things not meant only to go through the books and write down the answers to pass the exam. These are the things to keep in your mind, and whenever you will be in marriageable age, you have to apply all this knowledge practically in your life for the welfare of your family, for the welfare of yourself, as well as for the welfare of your coming generation, and at a large for nation. Thank you all. Have a nice day.